Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in New York. Today's topic, when does a guardianship end? Before I get to that, if you would like to speak with me, go to my website. You can schedule an appointment, frankbrunolaw.com. When does a guardianship end? Well, I have a specific reason for asking this question. Today I received a telephone call from a person that was asking me a question about guardianship because there's a conflict. This person's loved one is in the hospital, presently in a coma, and the estranged husband, right, they seem to have been physically separated for a period of over a year, has come back into the picture, and this family member is looking to perhaps file for guardianship. And that's, in a certain sense, in this particular case, it was probably to safeguard assets, right? To perhaps gain access to a bank account or other assets. And I didn't fully talk about that in the conversation. But I will tell you that depending on how near this person is to passing, right? So a coma could mean that the person's going to be stable in a coma, or it could be, something more severe, more dire. And, this was only the first telephone conversation, so I don't know fully the circumstances. But the usefulness of the guardianship in this situation may or may not, it may not be the correct action to take, or even correct might not be the right word. It might not have the desired effect, because should this person be close to passing and they actually pass away, the guardianship will end with the person. So the guardianship doesn't live past the person, except in certain unique situations where you can maybe complete a transaction, or I don't want to get into too fine of a detail, but the Article 8 guardianship is governed by Article 81. It's the mental hygiene law, and Article 81 does provide certain limited instances where a guardianship can continue. This wouldn't be one of them. The other thing is, if these two people, right, the estranged husband and the person in the coma, were legally married, this person would inherit, right? So even if the family member wanted to use a guardianship to perhaps wrest assets away from this individual, it probably won't work for that purpose. But there could be other things that we could speak about. So if you would like to speak with me, if you have your own unique fact pattern, please reach out to me. Frank at Frank Bruno Law. Thank you.